Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can insert text watermark in Excel as you see here. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Now let's get started. Just from view, click page layout. Here we have header. Insert the text, for example, watermark. Select it and from home, change its size to, for example, 50. And change its text style to, for example, this one. It's up to you. And text color, I select it to this color. Okay, now let's see how it appears. You see watermark appears here. To change its location and to come to the center, click here again and just enter. This time, let's check. Click outside the watermark. Its location comes to here, as you see. If you not agree with its location, again, here we have header. Just enter. Let's check this time. Yes, it appears in this location. You can edit its location up to yourself. Now if I click view and normal view, you see the watermark doesn't appear, but while you print it, for example, file, print, again watermark appears. Come back to here. If you want to remove the watermark, again from view, page layout, Ctrl+A and delete. Click here, you see the watermark removes. That's all. Have a nice time.